صباح الخير. اليوم بدي أطلع أتمرن وراح أخدكم في مشوار معي كيف أنا بعمل اليوم فيه اكتيفيتي، فيه رياضة، فيه نشاط، وكمان بنفس الوقت بستمتع، بعمل هواياتي وبستمتع بكل جزء من هاي الرحلة. أنا طبعا وبفكر إنه كل إنسان بحب الطبيعة، بحب إنه يشم الهواء النقي. أنا اتمرنت كتير سنين بالجيم ولا مرة حسيت بأي ارتباط عاطفي أو استمتاع حقيقي بالجيم. كنت دائما أحس إني عم بغصب حالي أو عم بجبر نفسي إني أروح على الجيم، وباللحظة اللي فيها غيرت الفكرة تبعتي إني بدي أكون إنسان فعال، بس بدي أعمل أشياء اللي بحبها. صرت أكتشف وألاقي أشياء اللي أنا بحب أعملها عن جد وبحب أستمتع فيها، وبنفس الوقت هواء نقي، طبيعة، شمس، هواء، شو أكتر من هيك بدك؟ فبدي أخذكم معي رحلة اليوم. بدنا نروح نتمرن بالألعاب، زي بوزن الجسم، بول أبس، بوش أبس، سكواتس، هيك شغلات. ولكن مش بالسيارة رح أطلع بالإي بايك تبعي. إذا بتسألوني ليش بالإي بايك مش ببسكليت عادي، طبعا البسكليت بيكون أصعب لأنه الطريق بشكل عام هي شوي طويلة. فإذا بدي أطلع بس على البسكليت رح أضيع كل نهاري على البسكليت. يعني عندي في هون بالإي بايك مع البيدلينج تبعي مع المساعدة تبعت الإي بايك رح تكون لي نص ساعة تاني أوصل على المحل اللي بدي أتمرن فيه، بينما إذا طلعت في البسكليت رح تكون لي ساعة ومش رح أقدر أتمرن. فهي الفكرة. والغابة كبيرة ورح نقطع الطريق بالغابة، بعدين بس نوصل لهناك رح أبدأ أتمرن وأفرجيكم كيف أنا بيكون النظام التقريبا يومي تبعي بهذا الشكل. يلا شباب تعالوا نشوف.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself. You keep.
اوكي، هلا احنا وصلنا، بدنا نبلش نتمرن. راح يكون الاشي تمارين جدا اساسية، راح نرجع للاساس للحياة، لانه اذا انت بتتقنش الاساس مش راح تقدر تهتم بباقي الاشياء اللي هي اكتر معقدة. وقد ما تفكر انك بتقدر تستغني عن التمارين الاساسية فانت غلطان، لانه هي اهم نقطة أو أهم أساس لبناء العضلات وتفعيل العضلات اللي جدا وفعلا مهمة. بعد ما تشتغل على العضلات المهمة ممكن تنتقل للعضلات الثانوية أو التمارين اللي هي أكثر معقدة. فخلونا نبلش. اليوم رح نعمل 3 تمارين ورح نعيد عليهن كل مرة بفاريشن أو بشكل مختلف. يعني نعمل مثلا بول أبس، مرة نعمل بول أبس بمسكة ضيقة، مرة مسكة واسعة، مرة ننطها، مرة نعملها بطيء، مرة نعملها سريع، مرة نعملها بشكل مختلف. ورح يكون الاشي 3 تمارين جاينت سيت أو سوبر سيت، ورح نعيده 10 تكرارات، 10 سيتس. فيلا نبلش.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan.
عملنا الست الأول، كان ست جدا أساسي، بس أساس إنه نعمل زي سيركوليشن أو إحماء للعضلة. بعد ما نعمل هذا التمرين راح إسا نبلش إنك تعمل تغييرات بالحركات. كيف حكيت لكم، نسيت أقول لكم إنه الهدف اللي راح نحاول إنه نعمله هو 10 بول أبس، 20 بوش أبس، و20 سكواتس في كل تمرين. إذا بتقدر أكتر اعمل أكتر، إذا بتعمل أقل إذا بتقدر أقل اعمل أقل. أنا شخصيا بشوف إني أعمل بنهاية التمرين اللي هو 10 ست، يعني راح يكون 100 بول أبس، 200 بوش أبس، 200 سكواتس. هو إشي هدف جيد كبداية صباح اللي نتمرن فيه.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
صرت عامل 3 سيتس، 1 2 3. كل مرة بعمل سيت كامل بكسر شوي من الخشبة بحطها هون على اساس اني ما انساش شو العد تبعي. مع انه بالحقيقة فرقش معي قديش بعمل تاني اوصل الفيلير، ولكن مبدئيا بحب اعرف تقريبا شو هو العدد تبعي، والهدف تبعي كان 10، وهذا اللي راح نعمله اليوم. صرت عامل 5، وصلنا للنص. هلا الجزء الممتع، كل مرة بدنا نوصل 6 من كوب واحدة، 7 من كوب واحدة، تا يخلصوا الخشبات، وهيك بنكون عملنا 10. يلا طريق إلى 6 و10.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be
possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. One shot to the head, I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. Just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. Just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game, yeah.
هذا هو كان بالنسبة لفيديو اليوم. كان تمرين أسس تبعت العضلات والتمارين الأساسية. كان سوبر سيت، فيه بامب، فيه كارديو، فيه إحساس بأنه كل وقت قلبك بدق بسرعة، عم بتشغل كمان العضلات الأساسية تبعتك، بوش أبس، بول أبس، سكواتس، بتنويعات مختلفة بس عشان تكسر الروتين وتشتغل على العضلة بشكل مختلف وتستمتع بالتمرين وما تحسش بالوقت كيف بمرق. أنا شخصيا كتير انبسطت بهذا التمرين، وأحد التمارين اللي كتير بحبها وبعملها كتير مرات، أحد التمارين اللي بتكون يعني بروتيني اليومي. إذا حبيتوا هاي النوعية من الفيديوهات، بتحبوا تشوفوا الفلوجات تبعتي كيف بتمرن بشكل يومي، قولوا لي بالتعليقات تحت، ممكن أعملكم هيك فيديوهات إضافية. هذا بالنسبة لموضوع اليوم، لفيديو اليوم، لفلوج اليوم. كان معكم عبد الأبز، ونشوفكم بالفيديو الجاي، وتنساش تشترك بالقناة. باي.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.